Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we're the publishers of Edible New Mexico Magazine. And welcome to episode 22 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week, we're burning the 2020 gloom away.
We're having happy hour at Seasons.
And we're cooking up green chili cheeseburgers. But first, we're gonna do this.
Pause, pee in the show.
So, behind me, right over in here, this is where we get to sit. And this is a zebra right there. They're testing all the lights right now. We are one of only like 20 people who were invited to come see the zebra live this year. Oh, here we go. There we go. There's a party goer. There's a party goer.
We are at Seasons down in Old Town in Albuquerque, and we decided to enjoy some Pride of Puebla. Even though it's a summer cocktail, it looks kind of fall. And it's got tequila, Ancho Reyes chili liqueur, lime juice, and cane syrup. That's good. It's cold outside, so we are inside drinking these yummy cocktails. Thank you. Just grab some stuff. We got buffalo wings, yum, and we've got Asian cauliflower, which is this like super awesome like Asian infused dipping cauliflower, and I probably should have waited until this cooled off before I get ready to take a bite. So it's really lightly battered, so it's got a nice crispness to it, and then it's got those tangy Asian flavors. It's really yummy.
Yes.
There we go.
Okay, ready?
Cheers. Second margarita. So this is the hibiscus margarita, and it's happy hour, so why not have a second margarita? This is their happy hour special margarita. That's a good margarita.
Okay, so normally this time of year we would be doing the Green Chili Cheeseburger Smackdown. Actually, that would be coming up this weekend, which of course, with COVID, we can't do. So, we've decided on this 5 Minute Friday, we're gonna make green chili cheeseburgers. We have Beckham Bulo, bison burgers, Colby Jack cheese, Young Guns, flame roasted patch green chili, which has sponsored the last 3 Smackdowns because they work with a lot of chefs. I'm gonna put some salt. Our pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna do a little bit of oil because bison is lean. Brioche buns, toast those. Put some pepper down. I like to do this at this point because pepper does burn. I like to turn it a second time. We get our cheese, and we're gonna put that on top right there. Just like so. Pour a little bit of water in there. Melt my cheese perfectly. Look at that. So I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna throw in some butter. Green chile. I'm gonna pour some of that in there. We have some beef stock. I'm gonna pour that right over the top. Just gonna mix that all together. I'm gonna bring that right back in, flip it right on top of that burger. And then our bun is nice and toasty. Gotta have a little mustard at least. Place that on the bun. There we go. Green chili cheeseburger. Oh, look at that. That's good.
That's it for this week's episode. Be safe and be well.